List of One Tree Hill episodes. One Tree Hill is an American television series created by Mark Schwahn, who has also written over a third of the episodes, including each season's premiere and season finale. Schwahn shares executive producer duties with Joe Davola, Greg Prange, Mike Tollin, and Brian Robbins. It is produced by Tollin/Robbins Productions and Warner Bros. Television. The series stars Chad Michael Murray and James Lafferty as half-brothers Lucas Scott and Nathan Scott, respectively, with Hilarie Burton, Bethany Joy Lenz, Sophia Bush, Lee Norris, and Antwon Tanner playing the parts of Peyton Sawyer, Haley James Scott, Brooke Davis, Marvin McFadden, and Antwon Skills Taylor. From 2003 to 2006, the first 3 seasons of One Tree Hill originally aired on the WB before it merged with UPN to form the CW, which the show later aired until 2012. 88 episodes were produced during the first 4 seasons due to the 2007-2008 Writers Guild of America strike. The 5th season consisted of only 18 episodes. With the exception of the pilot, episode titles are named after the title of a song. Over the course of 9 seasons, One Tree Hill aired a total of 187 episodes. Series Overview. Overview. Episodes. Season 1 2003-4. Season 2 2004-5. Season 3 2005-6. Season 4 2006-7. Season 5 2008. Season 6 2008-9. Season 7 2009-10. Season 8 2010-11. Season 9 2012-12.